Hi guys, welcome to the my 2.1.12, which is remove suffix method class. So it is subtopic of string methods, and the all of them in general related to string topics. Okay, in this class I'm gonna teach you about this like remove suffix. We already passed it to remove prefix. So now we will look for the remove suffix, like how we can work with this. Let's say we have a text and it is string text, and I want to say my name is Mohammed, like that. So now in this case, I want to remove this Mohammed and with the white space. How can I do that? As you know, we already applied for remove prefix. Let's do same job. We can say new text, and then we can just say text, but after that we can apply our method, which is our method is remove suffix. In this case, if we say prefix, we need to delete or we need to remove my space, which is we can remove, but in this case we want to remove the end of the text, which is the Muhammad. In this case, how we can do it? Let's close that, come back to the here, say Muhammad, like that, but we need to add there one more space because we just want to make here a space, which is we want to delete it too. It will be like my name is, or even just we can say Muhammad, like that. Now let's do that and see the result, like how it works. Okay, so when you run that new text, let's look at that. My name is, as you see here, everything works nicely, right? So we can just do it in that way. All right, everything is easy in this case. You can understand like how to remove the suffix, okay, like the end of the text, like that. Even if we give same example for the list, we can do that. So we can do it. Let's take the another example, which is we already did into remove prefix part. So let's get this example. Sorry, just copy it and come back to the here. I don't want to write it again and again. Let's close that. All right, then let's take out comment, take off. Yeah. So now, as you see, we have fruits in here like my lemon, my apple, my orange, and my banana. Now I want to change it as a lemon is good, lemon is good, and add same thing for all of them. For example, apple is good, orange is good, banana is good. And I want to delete all this my part, which is let's come back to the first place. It is so long, which is we can start from here. Let's do it like that. And right, we can delete in this way to use Command D, like Control D to choose all of the disguise, and we can apply. Now in this case, I want to delete, I want to remove is good part, or even space is good part. How we can do that? Just like make Control C, or even you can write it in here. So just you can say like like white space and is good, is white space good, like that. And just we can change our method in this case to, we can say dot remove suffix, because in this case we will remove this part. I mean white space like before, since white space to the end of the text list, sorry, list item. So now if I run it, see the result. As you see, our list is looking nice now. So in this case, how you can use that in the future, if you have a list, you can use the for loop, which is I will teach you in the future classes. We can just remove the suffix like end of the text something else, end of the list in the items, like each of the item and end of the text. which is we can remove all of the this guys. Even for the remove prefix, we can remove the first part of the string or the list items, each of the list items and starter point for the string. Sorry, we can apply for all of them in the same way, which is in old version they use that like again if let's say we have a text here, so let's open it, and they use like if text and then just a minute. Yes, in tag if text, then they thought like ends with, in this case ends with, and just put space like that and say like is good, that one which is we used already there. Take it and just paste it in here. Okay, and we can do some operation like what we can say text equals text, and we can open our list brackets like that, and we can say length of the what, length of the text, right? Or what, length of what, let's think about it. Length of what, you can think about it. Length of our is good, right? This one. And just we are going to put it in here to count it exactly. It means in here, and we just putting in here, for example, in this case, this slice operation. If we do that, run it, that will be same. I mean, we applied for the text, by the way. Where is the text? By the way, we didn't print text. Sorry, let's come back to here. If we didn't get any error, it will be good. So let's close that one. Let's apply. What happened? Nothing. All right, where is it? So by the way, text is my name is Mohammed. Sorry, by the way, here not anything like my name is Mohammed. Sorry. Yes, as you see, it is just my name, and we deleted the white space and is good part. This is old version. We don't need to use this system because this is like so tired system. Okay, so affordable. So we can just use like remove suffix, and we can just delete whatever we want. We don't need to use like len and slices and all this guys. Okay, we don't need to do it. That's all about remove suffix. That's another class we already done. But also I want to tell you we have a method which is I can open that. We have also like else split, else strip, sorry. So in this case, let's say we have like like that y, and we just want to delete m, let's say in this case, sorry, just make it 3m. When we do that, it will delete all of the m in here from the left side. So as you see, yeah, like 3m's like already remove it with the else strip method. But if you apply same thing with the remove, by the way, we are talking about remove suffix, so it will be like so for sorry, we can say or split, I mean or split, not split, or strip. Yes, in this say in this case, let's say we have 3 times d in here, like 4 times. When you say d, it will delete all of the d. Okay, all of the this d in with the or strip method. Yes, my name is like it stayed in here, right? Can you see that? Cool. So, but I want to delete just one of them. Our strip is not good for that, so it's just deleting everything from right side with this ladder. I just want to delete 1D or even 2D. How I can do that? With the remove suffix. You can say text of remove suffix, and you can just add 1D. As you see, we have 3D right now. If I say 2D, it will give you two dimension, like 2D, which is it's already removed, like both of them. And if I say 3D, it will remove 3 the end of this. But what if you try strip, it will delete everything, guys. It will delete everything, and it will look like that. Just try to understand this concept. Don't use R strip or even L strip. So for the for the specific things, for example, you want to delete one letter or even two letter, just use remove suffix or remove prefix in your case. And if you want to delete all of the same things, you can use R strip, even L strip. I mean, left strip, right strip, like that, and even for white spaces. That's all, guys, for about this class. See you in another class. So another class will be about formatting strings most useful cases. This class already done about string methods. We completed. So the another one will be the another topic, which is this is part of the string topic, and this is not part of the string methods. This is different topic, formatting strings. Let's continue from there. See you there. Thank you so much for your join. Good day.